Well, what type of equipment am I going to get with my move? Well, it starts with a minimum of 3 movers, and then depending on the size of your move, we can go ahead and multiply that to be able to help set your move up for success. You also get the truck. Now, the truck ranges anywhere from 20 to 24 feet, and just know that bigger doesn't always mean better unless you definitely need it, because you want to make sure that your items are packed as securely inside of the truck as possible, and if you have minimal pieces, putting it inside of a big truck sometimes just doesn't make sense. So making sure that you communicate that to your stress-free superhero in terms of inventory allows us to be able to set that up for success. Now, you also get a variety of dollies, you get a variety of furniture pads, 2 to 3 dozen to be exact, and then some complimentary supplies. Now, these complimentary supplies stay on our truck, so if you are moving into a storage facility, you will need to make other arrangements in terms of packing supplies, but don't worry. We sell packing supplies and can definitely take care of those needs as well.